Saturday is powered by Mr. Floor. Mr. Floor cleaning products are all non-toxic and environmentally safe, and you can learn more at MrFloor.com. All right, go. Cheers.
Okay, we're going to talk about things that you can get rid of now that it's the holiday season. And so what you're doing right now, most people, if you haven't already, you're pulling out your decorations, you're, going through all your Christmas stuff that you put away, probably in a rush last year, and you just threw stuff in a box. So a lot of people, they like to pull out different things. Oh, this year my theme is going to be trains, and this year my theme is going to be pink, and this year my theme is going to be
White.
candy cane striped, right?
Red.
If you're not one of those people and you pull out all your holiday decorations and you're like, you know what, I don't want to put this up this year, and you realize you haven't put this decoration up in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you're not going to put it up. Toss that decoration, okay? If you have a theme that you're like, oh, I only did this when the kids were little, give it to the kids, let them do it in their own house, because they probably have kids by now and you've just been saving it for forever. If you have broken ornaments that you're saving because they were sentimental but they're broken, I'm sorry. Get rid of them.
What?
I have people who have boxes of things. They're like, well, this is all broken. One day I'm going to fix it. It's not going to happen. Ornaments break. I'm sorry. You have other things that you can be sentimental about, but if you have, I'm talking fast because I only have like 2 seconds.
No, you got plenty of time.
I do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rich is running the show. He runs a tight ship. You're right on top of stuff.
Yeah,
you've got another 3 minutes.
3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So if you're saving things that broke in the attic over the year,
you can talk a little faster.
You can throw them away. Sentimental things. People pull
Sentimental
out.
Journey?
Will you sing that for me?
No.
People pull out all of their Christmas cards that they save from year to year, and some people will rehang cards that they have a cute little picture of a puppy dog or something on them. You know what? But if you're saving cards that just say, love mom, or, whatever, you don't really need to save it. It's just more clutter in your house. Save something that has a special meaning in there. If somebody signs something really nice and special in there, then you could save that. I'll tell you what I do.
What do you do?
Rich, you're going to tell me I'm crazy, but that's okay. So all those photo cards that come in, and it's the family, and it says, whatever. So I save all of those that I've ever gotten from any neighbor, from any coworker, because one day the child is going to be famous. Out of all the hundreds that I have, one day there's going to be a famous child, like a football player or something. And I can go, look, they sent me a Christmas card. Look, I have, like what if you have Peyton Manning? What if you were his neighbor and they sent you a Christmas card? So I'd have Peyton Manning's Christmas card. Wouldn't that be cool? You're just lost in sentimental journey. Okay, go through all the bikes and toys the kids I have outgrown, they haven't used in a while. A lot of people do the 2 out, 1 in. So if you're buying Christmas gifts for your children and their toys, remove 2 old toys to bring in 1 new toy. That's what a lot of people do. Please find the Christmas gifts that you've already hidden, because I can't tell you how many times I'll clean out a closet and they'll go, oh my gosh.
Next to the Easter eggs.
I was supposed to give this gift to my child 5 years ago. Well, they've outgrown this. So go through the house. How about just have one place where you hide all the gifts? Like maybe your child is never allowed in your closet, for example. Okay, if you're having guests over for the holidays, go through your linen closet. If there are linens in there that you wouldn't want your guests to sleep on, that you wouldn't sleep on, you don't need those. You don't need what?
But your kids could sleep on them, right?
No.
Or if you don't like your mother-in-law, you can put them on that.
Why do you have linens that you wouldn't want guests to sleep on? Why do you have these in your house? They're not
Boy, that was a fast 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Yeah, it was, wasn't
okay. Go through all of your hats, gloves, scarves. When you pull all those out for the winter season, if you're missing a glove and you haven't found it in a year, you're not going to find it. So, and the same, oddly enough, goes with all the fuzzy Christmas socks.
But if you have mismatched gloves, isn't that like mismatched socks? It's okay. It's cool.
Yeah, you have another pair just like them somewhere.
If it's the exact same. No, we don't plan this. He's just mean to me all the time. So you could email ron@mightyhouse.net and complain about Rich being mean to me.
All right. Give us a call on the Mr. Floor helpline, 877-711-5611. Have a chance to win some Mr. Floor cleaning products.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return